Hello guys, it's Cõramine here, back with a brand new video. Today, I'm bringing you a quick tutorial on an exciting new feature in Call of Duty Mobile, the match replay. Now you can relive your ranked matches in FPP, TPP, and even in an amazing 360-degree view. Sounds cool, right? Let's dive right in. Step 1. First, head over to your settings and turn on the match replay option. If you can't find it easily, just search for match replay in the settings search bar. Step 2. After finishing a match, you'll notice a match replay button right on the results screen. Or you can go to your profile, tap on match history, and from there, you'll see the replay option. Click on it, and you're in. Step 3. The default replay view is already pretty good. But if you want to switch to TPP and remove all the clutter from your screen for a cleaner, cinematic look, just turn on the Hide More option and disable all other overlays. Then tap the small eye icon at the bottom left. And bang! It's a whole new level of awesome. Now you can watch your gameplay from a fresh, cinematic angle. Study your moves, enjoy epic moments, and flex your skills like never before. So that's it for today's tutorial. Quick, easy, and super fun. Make sure to try it out and take your CODM experience to the next level. This is Cõramine signing off to catch you in the next one.